As we stand on the brink of a significant shift in human consciousness and cosmic alignment, the phenomenon of souls departing from physical existence takes on profound meaning. This momentous period marks a transitional phase not only for those who are leaving but also for those who remain, as the shift in the vibrational frequency of the Earth impacts all levels of existence. Understanding the nature of these departures can provide comfort and insight, helping us navigate this transformative time with greater awareness. The departure of souls at this juncture is not merely an end but rather a transformation that aligns with the broader cosmic evolution. Souls preparing for this transition often exhibit signs of heightened spiritual awareness and a deep sense of connection to the universe. These individuals may experience a sense of completion or a heightened understanding of their life's purpose as they prepare to leave their physical bodies. This awareness is a part of their soul's journey, allowing them to move forward in alignment with the unfolding changes in the spiritual realm. One key aspect of this process is the soul's readiness for the transition. Souls that are departing now are often those who have completed significant aspects of their earthly journey and are prepared to move on to their next phase of existence. This readiness is marked by a profound sense of peace and acceptance, as the soul acknowledges the completion of its current chapter and prepares to enter a new realm of experience. For many, this transition is accompanied by a sense of liberation from the constraints of the physical world and an eagerness to explore new dimensions of consciousness. As souls prepare for departure, their interactions with those around them can take on a different quality. They may exhibit a sense of detachment or serenity, and their conversations might reflect a deeper understanding of the larger cosmic picture. These interactions often serve as a means of closure and reconciliation, allowing the departing soul to express gratitude, offer forgiveness, or share final insights with loved ones. This process can provide profound healing and closure for both the departing soul and those who remain. The physical and emotional experiences of those nearing the end of their earthly existence can vary widely. Some individuals may exhibit physical signs of declining health, while others may experience sudden bursts of energy or clarity. Emotional responses can range from tranquility to moments of heightened emotional intensity. It's important to approach these experiences with compassion and an open mind, recognizing that each soul's journey is unique and deeply personal. For those who are left behind, the departure of a loved one can be a time of intense emotion and reflection. It's natural to feel a range of feelings, from grief to relief, and to seek understanding about the nature of the transition. This period can also be an opportunity for profound personal growth, as individuals come to terms with the departure and explore their own spiritual beliefs and practices. Engaging in practices such as meditation, prayer, or seeking guidance from spiritual advisors can provide comfort and insight during this time. Understanding the broader context of the cosmic shift can offer a sense of perspective and solace. The shift in consciousness that is underway is part of a larger cosmic plan, which involves the evolution of both individual souls and collective humanity. This transition is not an isolated event but rather a phase in an ongoing process of spiritual awakening and transformation. Recognizing this can help frame the experience of departure within a larger, more hopeful narrative of cosmic evolution. The preparation for this shift is accompanied by various signs and synchronicities that can provide clues about the nature of the transition. These signs may manifest as dreams, visions, or intuitive insights that offer guidance and reassurance. Being attuned to these signals can help individuals navigate their own experiences and find meaning in the process of change. As we move through this period of profound transition, it's important to honor the experiences of those who are departing and support those who remain. Offering compassion, understanding, and support can facilitate healing and growth for all involved. This period of change can also serve as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all beings and the ongoing journey of the soul. As we get deeper into the implications of this profound cosmic shift, it becomes apparent that the departure of souls is intertwined with the broader transformation occurring on Earth. This period is not merely about individual transitions but also represents a significant phase in the collective evolution of humanity. The changes we are witnessing are reflections of a larger spiritual awakening, where both the departing souls and those remaining are participating in a grand cosmic orchestration. The process of transition often involves a reorientation of the soul's energy, which aligns with the new vibrational frequencies emerging on Earth. This reorientation can manifest in various ways, including shifts in consciousness, changes in spiritual awareness, and the release of old patterns and attachments. For those preparing to depart, this may involve a process of aligning their soul's energy with the higher vibrations of the new reality, allowing them to move seamlessly into their next phase of existence. During this transformative time, it is also common for individuals to experience heightened spiritual insights and a deepening of their connection to the divine. This increased awareness often accompanies the departure of souls, as they align themselves with the higher planes of existence. For those who remain, this period can serve as an opportunity to strengthen their own spiritual connections and explore deeper aspects of their inner selves. The energy shifts occurring on a global scale provide a backdrop for personal and collective spiritual growth, offering opportunities for profound insight and transformation. The cosmic shift also influences the way we perceive and interact with the world around us. As old paradigms give way to new ones, individuals may find themselves questioning established beliefs and exploring new avenues of understanding. This period of questioning and exploration is a natural part of the transition, as it allows individuals to align more closely with the evolving energies of the planet. By remaining open to new perspectives and experiences, people can navigate this period of change with greater clarity and purpose. In addition to personal and spiritual growth, the departure of souls also highlights the interconnectedness of all beings. The transition process underscores the idea that each individual is a vital part of a larger cosmic network, where the actions and experiences of one soul can have far-reaching effects on the whole. This understanding can foster a sense of unity and collective responsibility, encouraging individuals to approach their own journeys with a greater sense of compassion and interconnectedness. The period of transition also offers a chance to reevaluate and strengthen relationships. The departure of a loved one can prompt individuals to reflect on their own relationships and make meaningful connections with those around them. This can lead to a deeper appreciation of the bonds we share and a renewed commitment to nurturing these connections. By focusing on building and maintaining supportive relationships, individuals can create a positive environment that supports their own growth and that of others. As individuals undergo their own transformations, they often contribute to a broader shift in collective consciousness. This ripple effect can lead to societal changes, such as increased awareness of spiritual and environmental issues, and a greater emphasis on compassion and cooperation. By participating in this collective evolution, individuals can help shape a more harmonious and spiritually aligned world. In summary, the departure of souls during this period of cosmic shift is a multifaceted phenomenon that reflects broader changes in spiritual consciousness and collective evolution. This transition offers opportunities for personal growth, spiritual awakening, and the strengthening of connections with others. By thinking about the transformative energies of this time and remaining open to new perspectives, individuals can navigate this period with greater insight and purpose, contributing to a positive and harmonious global shift. As we conclude our exploration of the profound departure of souls during this period of cosmic shift, it's essential to reflect on the deeper implications and meanings of these transitions. Understanding the broader context of these departures helps us navigate this transformative time with greater awareness and compassion. The process of change affects both the souls moving on and those they leave behind, highlighting the interconnectedness and ongoing evolution of all beings. This period of transition is not only about the individual experiences of departing souls but also about the collective movement towards higher consciousness and spiritual awakening. By recognizing and honoring the unique journey of each soul, we gain valuable insights into the broader cosmic plan and our place within it. Each departure signifies a step forward in the larger process of evolution and transformation, offering opportunities for growth, healing, and renewed connections. For those affected by the departure of loved ones, this time can be both challenging and enlightening. It provides a chance to reflect on the significance of these transitions and to deepen our understanding of the spiritual dimensions of life and death. By exploring these themes, we can gain a greater sense of purpose and clarity, helping us navigate our own paths with renewed focus and insight. If you found this exploration insightful and valuable, please consider showing your support by liking this video. Your engagement helps us continue to provide content that resonates with and supports viewers like you. A simple like can make a big difference in reaching others who may benefit from these insights. To stay updated with more content that explores similar themes and provides guidance on spiritual and personal growth, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Subscribing ensures that you don't miss any new videos and helps us build a network of individuals committed to exploring these important topics. Don't forget to activate the notification bell to receive alerts whenever new content is uploaded. This way, you'll be among the first to access new videos and stay informed about the latest insights and discussions. Feel free to share this video with friends, family, or anyone who might find it helpful. Sharing helps spread the message and brings valuable information to a wider audience, fostering a greater understanding of these important themes. We also invite you to leave a comment below with your thoughts or experiences related to the topics discussed. Engaging in the conversation not only enriches the discussion but also provides an opportunity to connect with others who are on similar journeys. Thank you for joining us in this exploration. Your support and participation are greatly appreciated, and we look forward to continuing this journey of discovery and growth together.